Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. The National Water Commission say part of the carpet area now go get no water because Jota Guan and the water pressure lower the two dam them. DPP Paula Llewellyn say her office a go appeal the 4-year sentence where Dennis Mundell get for have gun where him not have no license for. The St. Thomas police are looking at the killing of one of them officer who gunman shot and kill. Now for the full tour of them. The National Water Commission say part of the carpet area now go get no water because Jota Guan and the water pressure low at the two dam them. Place where they below the Ministry for Justice from Concern Spring Road in St. Andrew I go get water from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, and the place them before that I go get water overnight. Right now the Hermitage Dam they are 63% and the Mona Reservoir they are 76%. DPP Paula Llewellyn say her office I go appeal the 4-year sentence where Dennis Mundell get for have gun where him not have no license for. Llewellyn said the sentence where Mundell get too light because of 15 years people forget now when police catch them with gun where them not have no license for. DPP Llewellyn say Mundell get charged under the wrong part of the act. Him get charged under section 45 instead of section 15 where for give him the 15 year. The St. Thomas police are looking at the killing of one of them officer who gunman shot and kill. According to reports on 3 o'clock, District Constable Mark Antonio Forsyth did upon the scene of some cascas in a York in a Seafort when gunman shot and kill him. Them rushed him go to Princess Margaret Hospital where doctors say him dead. Gunman shot and kill one man in a half-a-tree St. Andrew last night. The police no put out the man name yet. The shooting go on around 7:30 last night, right when he are going at the Pavilion Mall. Police lock up one man after them find one 9mm pistol while having 9mm cartridge yesterday in a St. Elizabeth. According to reports on the Black River Criminal Investigation Branch CIB, between 4 and 5 in the morning, the police search one house and them find a gun on one bed under some clothes. One smaddy get locked up. The police are looking at what one. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.